Welcome to SKANS eCampus. In this video, we will help you get familiar with the study room. After you have registered and purchased a course, you can start your studies immediately as you will have access to the study material. The study room has a course plan, which is divided into weeks to keep the course manageable and improve learning effectiveness. We strongly suggest you to follow the weekly schedule to stay on track. But since you will have full access to the course, you can follow your own study plan too. So, let us begin with the study support elements. First is the starter pack, which contains the welcome pack. It is a detailed document of different features that we offer here at SKANS eCampus. This is a weekly course plan guide. It will help you determine how the week-wise coverage of the topics should be managed. You can also access the CBE guide. If you have any confusion regarding the ACCA computer-based exam format, you can go through this document for clarity. Now here you have the SKANS eCampus study notes. You have access to these online 24/7 throughout your course duration. Moving on, these grey rows indicate when a live session will take place. The timing of the sessions are given here. The relevant documents are available in these rows and a join button appears on the day of the live session. Attending the live sessions are beneficial for your understanding of the course. Now let me show you how to view a topic recording. Simply click on this icon below the topic name. Here you can ask any question you have about the topic. Once you click close on a recording, you will get this rating bar to rate the video. You can click this icon to view the slides for these topic recordings. The slides for all the subtopics are in one file and are made available in the first row of each topic. This icon will show you the relevant ACCA technical articles link and a short description if there is any. You can click this highlighted link to go to the relevant ACCA article. This icon lets you access the practice sets available for these topics. These will help you assess your current knowledge and improve your learning. Next, after attending a live session, an assignment will be made available for you to attempt. The deadline for each assignment is mentioned in the row, and submitting your assignment within the deadline will get you a marked feedback. At any point during your studies, you can check your course coverage by clicking on the Progress tab. SKANS eCampus also encourages you to talk to your fellow students using the chat feature. We have a lot more features to support your journey with us and hope you have a wonderful time studying with SKANS eCampus. Good luck!